spray carburetor cleaner on the air intake lightly to see if it picks up. It doesn't. I tried adjusting the pilot screws, and it's really tough with the idle jumping around, but it's not over rich right now, and it's not over lean. It's close to where it's supposed to be. So I can't figure this out pretty soon. I guess I'm going to have to go pay the brand to the Yamaha dealer to tell me that it needs new carburetors rebuilt again, and knowing that's not the problem. So let me know what you think.